doing dog fighting. Oh yeah.
And we have a lazy dog over here on my lap.
Ta-ta, lazy. So I'm getting it on the tailbone.
I'll be the spotty narrator, you'll be the sassy.
Just you're both of the narrators. I'm cameraman.
Okay, so Spotty's going in for the
Okay, Spotty's pretty pinned down. And Sassy's.
wolf is going in for the wolf has to bite off his own leg.
Oh,
Shit.
freak yes.
And then Sassy, oh, Spotty just went for the punch in the face.
Oh, Spotty,
It's
Spotty,
going in
Spotty.
the neck breaker. Oh my God.
Spotty. And taking a little break.
Spotty went in for the neck breaker. And
Oh,
crazy.
Sassy has jumped, and Spotty's using his cute attack.
And
Kick in
Spotty
the face.
just kicked Sassy in the face.
I know. Kick in the face attempt.
Punching in the face.
Face punch. You see that? He's punching her in the face.
Why is this funny to us?
No.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Go. I vote for Spotty.
Do not clap it when they're still fighting up.
I vote for Spotty.
No, I'm voting for Sassy. She's going in. Oh.
Sassy's going for the neck breaker.
No, neck breaker.
Sassy,
He got
Spotty's
his
going
neck.
for the strangle. Oh, and Spotty's now going, okay, and Sassy's going for the neck breaker. Spotty's
And nibble.
going for the chillax.
Oh, babe.
Spotty just went in for the collar break.
Ding.
And now he's going in. He's going to stand still.
Oh, and Sassy has
Sassy
charged.
just went into the wolf biting off his own leg. Oh, and Spotty just went for the choke.
And Sassy has got him down. Oh, and he's up again.
Love you. And now Spotty's trying to take off. Well, Sassy's trying to take off Spotty's collar.
And I don't even know what's happening.
Oh,
fuck!
Spotty's just trying to go in for the choke.
And Sassy's just nibbling on his leg now. Okay, that's. Oh, she's going in. She's biting the arm off.
Oh.
She's biting the arm off.
What? I'm playing on video games, dude.
And okay. Okay, you're just gonna keep fighting now.
Okay.
Those, oh my god!
Spotty is
And
lay down
and they're laying down and they're biting the faces off. Oh!
Oh, and Spotty's
Oh,
just trying to
Spotty
go in for the neck.
Sassy's got his head. Sassy's got his head locked. Headlock.
Oh, Spotty's going
Spotty's
in for the
got
ball
Sassy.
snapper.
Spotty still got him. He still got him. By the head, by the freaking. Oh, Sassy's trying to get him off. Sassy's failing. Spotty's busting her up. Oh, Sassy's up. Oh my
Oh,
god.
there goes Spotty with the choke attempt. Now he's just resting a little bit.
And that's a lot of fur we have to clean up.
Yes. A lot of fur. Like, a lot.
Okay. And Sassy's
Parkour
going up
cat.
there.
I just call him Sassy
And
cat. Parkour dogs.
I guess that's the end.
Fight! Okay.
I'm just gonna pause this just in case they fight. Okay, so that's the end of this.
I got 2 puppies on me now.